Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming fit and level. This prevents ineffective compression. Measure ankle and calf, then select the recommended mmHg. Put socks on in the morning when your legs are least swollen, because early application reduces fluid buildup. Use a stocking donner or rubber gloves to ease grip. This prevents fabric damage and uneven pressure. Once on, smooth folds and check toes for circulation. Nails and skin color must look normal. If you feel numbness, remove and reassess size immediately. You now perform the detailed application steps. Turn the sock inside out to the heel, insert your foot, and pull the sock up gradually while unrolling. This method maintains even tension. Smooth wrinkles as you go, because creases create pressure points and reduce effectiveness. Once in place, make sure the top band sits below any constrictive clothing. If you're active, wear supportive shoes once done. Alternate with 15-20 minutes of elevation to enhance fluid return and comfort. You finish by verifying comfort and function. After 30 minutes, check that toes remain warm and color is unchanged. This confirms proper circulation. Wash socks gently per label, cold water and air dry to preserve elasticity, otherwise compression degrades. If seams roll or you get skin irritation, adjust or replace the garment. If pain, numbness, or worsening swelling appears, remove the socks and contact your clinician promptly, because persistent symptoms can signal poor fit or an underlying vascular issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.